Okay, this is a quick tutorial on installing the walker wheels onto our Vive folding walker here. I've got one in place already just so you can see how it goes on. Normally the wheels will fit on the outside of the walker, but if the width is an issue, these can be reversed and replaced on the other side so that the wheel will fit inside. What you're gonna do is first, you're gonna remove the entire adjustable leg section here from the walker. Just depress the little brass locking pin and give it a turn while it's pressed in. That'll move the holes out of alignment with the pin so it doesn't jam into place. Just remove the bottom section there. Make sure to keep the little acrylic cap in place here that keeps the structural integrity of the leg right. Then install the wheel section here. Press the locking pin down. So it's fitted into one now. Let's just repress that. Just down to about here. Fit that into place, and you're all set.